stuck in my art corner at the moment, and I think this can be maybe a recurrent event, me talking to a camera in the park, in nature. I'm just looking around in amazement at how beautiful this moment is, and I just always think beforehand that I have a message to send, and sometimes make notes about what I want to say. But today, maybe the same as last week, I just want to share with you this feeling of total bliss. The wind is blowing and my hair is in my face, but it's all good. It's all good because it can all be edited. That's what the mind says. Edit yourself, edit your work, edit what you say, censor who you are. But if you stop for a second and you look at nature, you just know the trees, the birds, the animals, the flowers, they would never censor themselves. They would just be who they are. Beautiful, nourishing, fulfilling, expansive beings. So what stops us? What stops you? What stops me? The answer is so simple and yet so hard. We do it. I do it. You do it too. We stop ourselves from being who we really are. But there is hope. Starting small, one day at a time. Sharing this moment is something so precious, but also scary. And that's because the mind keeps thinking about control, the perfect angle, less wind please, no noises from the people in the park, all these things, all the things that I keep thinking about while recording this. Yet if I take a deep breath and stop for a second and just surrender to the knowing, the deep knowing that this moment is perfect just as is, that we are perfect right now just the way we are. That's what I want to share with you today. Perfection, fulfillment in the moment. Sending you much love and light from this beautiful spot. See you in the next video. Much love and light.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you